In today's video I'm going to show you how to add animated backgrounds in Microsoft Teams. Log in to Microsoft accounts using credentials. Navigate to calendar and either join meeting or you can schedule one. Once you're in the meeting window, click on 3 dots. For more options, select background effect or background filters from the list. And in the background settings you will see several predefined statics backgrounds. Select video file or image file from your computer. If you're using video file, upload this video file and it will loop during your meeting, giving effect and animated background. While full animation isn't supported, you can use creative static images or light video effect to add scene of movement. You can find suitable images or create design with several movements or effect to maintain professional look. If you're looking to add something more dynamic like GIFs, save animation as video, convert GIF to MP4 using online converter, then upload MP4 file in the same way as custom background.